Okay, still on equation involving number-based system. It is very simple to solve equation in number-based system if you've mastered how to do multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. At the same time, changing of number-based system from one base to another. It is very easy to solve equation involving number-based system because it is combination of what you've learned when you were learning all the aforementioned things that what you will use to solve this particular problem. And I believe you'll be following our video. If you've not followed the video, check Aminu Maths Class on your Facebook page or Aminu Maths Class on our YouTube channel. You have all the videos containing the conversion, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the rest. Now, let's go back to the question. It said, given that 13x solution, 13 base x plus 2 base y is equal to 16 base 10. Then the second one is what? 2 base x plus 12 2 base y equals to 22 base 10. If you look critically, you can see that what? This is already in base 10, but this one you don't know the basis. What do? We convert this to base 10, and we now equate it to this. Now, the first one, 13, that is equation 1, 13, then 2 base y equals to 16 base 10. That is 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times y plus 2 times y equals to 16. This one is already in base 10, so you are not expanding anything. Now, 0, 1, because these are together. Also, these also together 0, 1. So you have x plus 3 times n raised to the power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 times 1 plus 2. Y raised to the power 1 is what? Y. 2 times y plus 2. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 times 1 equals to what? 16. So we have x plus 3 plus 2y, 2 times 1, 2, plus 2 equals to what? 16, CNT. So you have x plus 2y is equal to 16 minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 5. So you have x plus 2y is equals to what? 11, equation 1. Now we have the second equation, which is what? 32x plus 12y is equal to what? 22 base 10. Now we have 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1 times y plus 2 times y equals to 22. Now you have what? 0, 1, 0, 1, because these two are together. Also, these two are together. This one is already in base 10, so there's no need to expand. Now I have 3x plus 2 times n raised to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, you have 2 times 1, 2, plus y plus what? 2 times 1, 2 equals to 22. Now you have, collect like terms, you have 3x plus y is equals to 22 minus 4. So you have 3x plus y is equal 22 minus 4, that is what? 18, equation 2. Bring the two equations together. So you have x plus 2y equals to 11. 3x plus y is equals to what? 18. 1, 2. So what do? We can use elimination method. So we have times, well, eliminating y, times 1 times 2. So you have x plus 2y equals to 11. 2 times 3x, this becomes equation 3. 2 times 3x, 6x, 2y equals to what? 36. This one becomes equation for eliminate y. So here you're having minus 5x, 0. 11 minus 36. If you don't know it, it will be minus. First of all, let's do this. 5. Are we there? Minus 25. So we have minus 5x equals to minus 25. This we cancel this. 5x equals to 25. Divide by 5 by 5. So x is equals to 5. Now say what? Put x equals to 5 in any equation you like. In any of the equation, either you choose equation 1 or equation 2. Let's say if you decide to choose equation 1, in equation 1, so we have x plus 2y is equals to what? 11. So anywhere we see s, we put 5. So we have 5 plus 2y is equal to what? 11. 2y equals to 11 minus 5. 2y equals to what? 6. Divide both sides by 2. So y equals to 3. It means therefore x equals to what? 5. Y is equal to 3. Now we can see this. Very simple. Comment on the comment section, like the video, follow us on our Facebook page, Aminu Class. Thank you and bye bye for now. However, if you have a question to ask, drop it in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye for now. See another one, a question on number-based system says, given that 543 base n is equal to 244 base n plus 255 base n, find the value of n. It is very simple. It's just what? A function of your knowledge or what you've known about conversion from one base to the other. And since they are like this, the simplest and easiest way is to convert all the values, the left-hand side expression and the right-hand side expression into base 10 numbers. That will make everything very easy. Now let's see. The question says 543 base n is equal to what? 244 base n plus 255 base n. Before we dive into it properly, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, Aminu Class. Like our video and what? Drop your comment on the comment section. Now, let's take them one after the other. The value at the left hand side in base 10. 543 is equals to 5 times n plus 4 times n plus 3 times n. 0, 1, 2. So you have 5n squared plus 4n plus 3. This is what you have at the left hand side. Now the right hand side, the first number is what? 244 base n. Now plus 255 base n. So you are having 2 times n plus 4 times n plus 4 times n. 0, 1, 2. Plus what? 2 times n plus 5 times n plus 5 times n. 0, 1, 2. Here you have what? 2n squared plus 4n. Remember, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So this is what? 4. Plus 2 times n squared is also what? 2n squared. Plus what? 5 times n is 5n. At the same time, number raised to power 0 in number base is what? 1's value. So it is 1. So 5. Now, you can see here 2n squared, 2n squared. You are having here is more of a rearrangement. Now, power of degree n to 2, you have 4n squared. When the n degree is 1, here at this 4n and what? 5n, that is 9n. For the coefficient or the constant, 4 and 5, that is what? 9. This is what your right hand side value. We now equate the left hand side to the right hand side. So you have LHS equals to RHS. left hand side equal to the right hand side. Left hand side you have 5n squared plus 4n plus 3. The right hand side is what? 4n squared plus 9n plus 9. So we have to do what? CLT, collect like terms. Now, the n to the power of 2 here is this, and the one here, so we bring this here. You have 5n squared minus 4n squared. Then the degree of n, power of n raised to power 1, 4n, 9n. So we have what? Plus 4n minus 9n, because this is moving to this place, so the sign change from positive to negative. Now the constant, you have plus 3, this one is moving to this place, turns to minus 9, everything equals to what? 0. Now coefficient of n squared here is 5, here is 4, here this one is higher than this, therefore 5 minus 4, that's 1. So you have 1n squared, which is same thing as what? N squared. Now the coefficient of n here is plus 4, and this one here is minus 9. The coefficient with negative is higher, therefore you are having negative. Had it been it is smaller, then you would have had positive. But since the coefficient with negative is higher, you must have negative. So 4 from, you have 5n. Again, the constant with negative value is higher in by digit than the constant with positive value, so you must have negative. 3 minus n equals 6 equals to what? 0. Now, what can we multiply together that will give us minus 6? And when we sum it together, it gives us what? Minus 5. Now, if you try and say, okay, 2 can divide 6, 2 times 3. You are correct. 2 times 3, let's say minus plus this, it gives us what? Minus 6. But let's try this, whether it gives us this sum. Minus 2 plus 3 give us minus 1. Therefore, we cannot use this. Let's try another factor of 6. Let's try 6 times 1. Minus 6 times plus 1. It gives us minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 gives us minus 5. So these are the two factors we are going to use. Now we have what? N squared minus 6n minus 1n, which is n, minus 6 is equals to what? 0. Now bring out the common factor, because we factorize here. N, you have n minus 6. What is common between these two? It's minus 1, because the possible GCD, greatest common divisor between these two is minus, we can say 1. Remember, this one is plus. Sorry, it's plus. So it is what? Minus, if you say minus 1, it will affect this. So it is what? Plus 1. So you have n minus 6 equals to 0. So you have n plus 1 or n minus 6 equals to what? 0. So n plus 1 equals to 0, or n minus 6 equals to what? 0. So n is equals to minus 1, or n is equals to what? 6. As someone who has been solving, converting, changing number, that is what? Involving base, you can see which one suits this. N is definitely what? 6. Why? The highest number here is what? 5. And the base is 6. We said in number base, it is always what? A number before. That is minus 1. So the highest number here is 5. Therefore, the n is what? N is equals to what? 6. If you like the video, like, comment, or drop your comment on the comment section. Follow us on our Facebook page, Aminu Maths Class. We will be solving, or in the next video, we'll have more a question that we'll use to train ourselves. Thank you and bye-bye for now.